So this is his job, what we're doing. Reboard the ceiling, patching down to 2400. Take all the tiles out, the bath out, the sink out, toilet out. Refit shower tray, and then wet wall panel from there all the way around to there. End of week, they'll look completely different. Look at these antique carpets, covered them up. It's a bit of a dusty one, bit of a strange one, because there we've got a stud wall, which you won't expect to see a stud wall, but there is. There's a stud wall, so they built that room into the bathroom because they want a bathroom up here, you see. So that's stud, so that's alright. Them tiles are coming off, but I tell you what, it's thirsty work. It's red hot. It's too hot for work, but someone has to do it. Do you know what I mean? Because if you don't get out of bed, you don't go to work, you don't earn money. Money makes the world go round, lads. You can't do it without it. Remember. So this is his joins that's already been sealed once, and it looks beautiful. Yeah. So now we are just going to seal it with a silver grey. It's very good silicone. It's very light grey, which will match with these colours beautifully. Right, and then there we go, lads. Remember, all your work's in the detail. Do you know what I mean? No big fat beads of silicone needed on my jobs. Huh? Do you know what I mean? I'll even slow down for you to have a look properly. I'll slow down just so you can have a look properly. Do you know what I mean? And then when you sat there with dummying, wishing you could do what I do, I can understand. It is just beautiful. Beautiful. Wait until the shower goes in tomorrow. Nice. Here we got another beautiful job done. All in the detail. As you can see, slow motion for you. Just like a work of art, really. Just like a work of art. The only thing what we can't do is the toilet, because it should have been a back to wall, and it's not. And that and some chapping bathroom, you know what I mean? Fish splash bosh, beautiful. Another job done. Another day, another dollar. Tray's nice, isn't it? Very nice. Don't forget to like, share and follow MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms. Everything in our property, no matter what it is, I will do.